Review this thing I bought at Walmart today.
Okay, WatchBot. What did you buy for us today? A microwave ramen cooker. Okay, I'll give it a look. So yeah, it's just a reusable hard plastic version of one of those trays that some brands use for their ramen noodles. Those work really well, so I expect this one will too. At the bottom, I understand a few of the symbols for dishwasher and microwave safe. Not sure what the other two mean. The instructions on the inside are very simple. Put in ramen noodles, fill to the fill line with water, microwave 3 minutes, and you're done. So I got a packet of ramen. Let's go ahead and shove this in the microwave. Okay, cooking is finished. I don't eat this as a soup, so I went ahead and drained the water. Time to add the little flavor packet to it. I generally only use half of a packet to season the noodles. Stir it up. So yeah, this product works as it should. I mean, they're $3 at Walmart. What more do you need? Anyhow, if you enjoyed my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.